YouTube, hello. Today we're making pancakes, protein pancakes. Everybody can do that, but can everybody do it? Blindfolded. First things first, let's get the ingredients. Ingredients: flour, Nutella, protein powder of choice, some milk, butter, and eggs. We are set up. Let's get started. Wish me luck. All right. I previously placed everything, so I can kind of know, where everything is. We're gonna start with the protein. We're gonna do one today because we're trying to minimize damages. First time we do something like this. Next one over is the milk, which I previously poured into this beautiful little glass. Next, after the milk, is the flour, which we also put here. Obviously, all the detailed recipe and ingredients will be in the description, as always. We go back to our reference point. Next thing was the eggs. I don't remember which side I got. This side. All right, 2 eggs for what we're doing today. Take another one. Nutella. Sort of healthy, so we're not gonna put too much. Maybe half a spoonful, I think. We take our fork. Which is the other fork. We're gonna grab a fork. Piece of cake. And you gotta, stir everything. As you do this, you question every life decision you've made that has brought you to this point, where on a Saturday night you're making blindfolded pancakes. I think I need to add more flour. I'm gonna grab a spoon here. Easy, baby. It already feels a little better, I think. Once you have your pancake mix, once you feel it's ready, because you can't see, so I'm gonna go on a leap of faith here and okay. Then you walk over to your stove. The pan should be there. Please do not touch the pan if your stove is on. So it is the second. I'm gonna put some butter, which I believe is here on the knife. Yes. No idea. Feels like it's still on the thing. All right, we got some butter in there, and you just wait for it to, get a little hot. This should be tricky because we're gonna try to pour the pancake mix into the pan without making too much of a mess. See how it works. This is, please be careful when you're doing this because you could very, very easily burn yourself because, I can't see. Just make sure you spread it in the pan. Spread it nice and good. It's too quiet now. I don't know what I did, but I think I got too cocky. That's what happened. All right, we're gonna pour, because what's the worst that can happen? We're gonna pour the pancake mix in the pan. Put this here. Try to get it some reference points, so it's here. I have no idea what I did. We're gonna see if it's good. You don't want to touch it, the first minute or so. You want to try to get it maybe so it's a little bit more solid. I cannot wait to see the finished product. The least you can do for us putting ourselves through certain peril is subscribe, like, hit the bell. Oh, I definitely smell something's cooking. Hopefully the pancakes, but I feel like it's a little solid. I'm just not 100% sure if it's too solid. Yeah, it needs to be pretty solid for you to, you know, flip it over. Try to get it on here. I heard something. I don't know what that was, but it smells a little like it's cooking a bit too fast, so we're gonna put it down a bit. You know, that's definitely a good feeling. What I just felt is definitely something positive because it feels like the pancake is in one piece, which is good. It's telling me that at least it's at least in the pan. So if you're not blindfolded, it's a lot easier, obviously, but it's not as fun. I don't know where let's see, this is super dangerous. I get burned. Okay. And then we just flip it one more time. I'd say, you know, we cooked both sides now. We're just going over the first side once more because I feel like it wasn't enough. And you know, now you can lower your heat because I feel like it's almost ready. Medium, low. I think your pancake is just about ready. We gotta take a plate. Alright, you take, you know, these plates are square, but it works just as well with circular plates. Alright, you go back to your plate, set plate, and you know, just like that, your blindfolded protein pancakes. Bon appetit. You have it, our first ever blindfolded pancake. Went pretty smoothly, no major incidents. I didn't burn myself, you know, a little mess, but that was expected. However, please do not try this at home. Let us know what food you'd like us to make blindfolded next. We had fun. We hope you did too. See you soon.